In this episode, we're looking into user-centered design. User-centered design, often abbreviated as UCD, is a framework that places the user at the forefront of the design process. It focuses on understanding the needs and wants and limitations of the end users at each stage of the design process. This approach ensures that the final product is highly usable and tailored to that user's preferences and their requirements. User-centered design is essential in creating products that are not only functional, but also intuitive and enjoyable to use as well. By prioritizing the user's perspective, designers can develop solutions that solve real problems and enhance user satisfaction. This method is widely used in various fields, including software development, web design, and product design, to create more effective and engaging user experiences. One key success marker in user centered design is thorough user research. This involves gathering detailed information about the users through surveys, through interviews, and observations. Understanding the user's needs, their behaviors, and challenges allows designers to create solutions that are genuinely useful and relevant. This research is the foundation for all subsequent design decisions. Another important aspect is iterative design. This involves creating prototypes and continuously refining them based on user feedback. By repeatedly testing and improving the design, users can ensure that the final product is closely aligned with user expectations. This process helps identify potential issues early and allows for adjustments before the final release of that thing. User testing is also a crucial success factor. It involves real users interacting with the design and providing feedback on its usability and functionality. This hands-on testing helps uncover any usability problems that might have been apparent during the design phase. It ensures that the product is user-friendly and meets the intended goals. Effective communication within the design team and with stakeholders is essential for successful user-centered design. Clear communication ensures that everyone involved understands the user needs and the design objectives. This alignment helps maintain a consistent focus on the user throughout the design process and fosters collaboration and innovation. Empathy, as well, is a key element in user centered design. Designers must put themselves in the user's shoes to understand their experiences and their emotions. This empathetic approach helps create designs that are not only functional, but also resonate with the users on an emotional level. It ensures that the product is designed with genuine user care and consideration. One point, though, of critical analysis is the potential for scope creep. When focusing heavily on the user feedback, there is a risk of continuously adding features and modifications, which can lead to an overly complex and delayed project. Managing user expectations and maintaining a clear project scope is essential to prevent this issue. Another consideration is the potential bias in user research. Designers must unintentionally favor feedback from certain user groups, leading to a design that does not fully represent the diverse user base. Ensuring a broad and inclusive approach to user research helps mitigate this risk. Balancing user needs with business goals can be challenging. While user-centered design prioritizes the user, it is also important to align the design with the company's objectives and constraints. Finding a balance that satisfies both the user and the business is a critical aspect of successful design. The reliance on user feedback can sometimes lead to design decisions that prioritize immediate user preferences over long-term usability and innovation. Designers must consider how to balance user input with visionary design thinking to create products that are not only user-friendly, but are also forward-thinking. Lastly, the iterative nature of user-centered design can be resource-intensive. Constant testing, feedback, and revisions, they require significant time and effort, as you can imagine. And so it is crucial to manage resources effectively to ensure that the process remains efficient and sustainable. User-centered design. Mō ora.